Hello, I'm Nicholas Yates, and I'm an instructional designer within the Centre for Educational Innovation at Zayed University. Thanks for joining me in this video outlining Kemp's model of instructional design. This model outlines a number of different areas that should be considered within your instructional design within education, from a series of several lessons and units of work to course design or even redesign. Why use an instructional design model? We use instructional design models to help visualize and break down the complicated process of planning instruction. It helps to address important points that might be missed if not considered intentionally. Design is often an iterative and cyclical process, and never as linear as some models portray. Any model we use needs to consider all environmental factors and be flexible to allow us to design tailored instructional design solutions to often unique problems. Likewise, Kemp purposely used a circular model without arrows to show the interdependent nature of the elements, but to not prescribe a linear process. However, a good starting point is at instructional problems. Whilst I will be discussing all of them, Kemp and colleagues write that not all elements may be used all of the time. With appropriate thought, reason, and rationale, you may not need one or more of these elements. I've created a series of videos for Kemp's instructional design model. First, there are 10 short videos explaining the model, including this one, and 9 elements. Secondly, there are 10 additional videos that outline an example that will talk about practicalities of implementing Kemp's model of instructional design. Feel free to watch all or the ones that are important to you. A quick point also before I start talking about each element. Instructional design largely emphasizes instruction, as this is the area that we can have the greatest influence on. Instruction can create learning opportunities, and we hope learning is the result, but it isn't always, unfortunately. I make attempts at reframing some items, but how would you be more inclusive towards students with a flexible learning approach? Additionally, Kemp's model of instructional design sits within 2 environments, but we will focus only on the 9 elements. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy each video.